Welcome back to the channel. All you Hatteras fans, you are absolutely going to love today's video. We are touring this beautiful 1978 53 Hatteras. The owner has maintained this boat beautifully. Like always, the boats in these videos are for sale, so if you are interested, check the description for the link down below. So we are going to start on the bow of the boat. You have plenty of room for tons of entertainment. Plenty of people can come up here and hang out. We've got 2 storage boxes on each side of the boat where you can store anything that you might need in all kinds of different docking scenarios as you take this boat underway. You have this nice long bench that you can sit at least 7 people on. We also have nice bow cushions for you ladies to lay out and tan. So we are going to work our way aft, and as you can see down here, you have all your plug-ins while you're dockside, water, electricity. It also has some ones for cable and phone lines, kind of irrelevant now as everything moves digital. So you can see this is typically where you would enter the boat, but we're going to keep working our way back and head back into this beautiful sun deck, do the exterior of the boat before we move into the interior. Something that is just unmatched in these classic boats is the beautiful woodwork that you'll find throughout, and newer boats just don't have the same character that these older boats do. Looking at this fully enclosed sun deck, you have a beautiful panoramic view all the way around. It is fully enclosed, so if it does get hot back here, you can always open these doors up behind me and let the AC flow back here. You can also unzip this isinglass that this current owner has and get a nice breeze going through. At one point, this aft deck did have its own AC system. On this boat, it is not working, but you could always get it up and running. He's got a full-size dining room table back here, but you could always take that out, put loungers, however you want to use this space. It's extremely versatile, plenty of room, and high ceilings. I'm about 5'11". There's quite a bit of room between me and the ceiling. Looking over to my left, we have the ladder to get up to the bridge, and to my right, we have a wet bar that was super popular in these older boats. Not so popular anymore. The wet bar fad has kind of died out, but it is a nice addition to this aft deck. So let's head up the ladder and take a look at the bridge. Typically there is a bench seat up here at the back. However, this owner has taken the bench seat out. He's going to replace it. He just has not gotten around to it yet. You also have 2 helm chairs at the helm. Go figure. And let's take a closer look at what the helm has to offer up here on the bridge. He does have brand new electronics, GPS, radar, fish finder, as well as live camera views and engine instrumentation. We do have autopilot controls up here, and I'm just going to scan the dash for the rest of it and let y'all figure out the rest. Moving forward, we do have a mini fridge, which is really nice for the captain, as well as a bench seat, and look at these beautiful views. So walking through these doors in the aft deck, walk straight into the salon, and in the salon we also have the lower helm. Taking a closer look at the salon, we have this beautiful Caribbean themed furniture. Straight across from me, we have a nice 3-seater couch that pulls out into a bed. I have a nice big screen TV over my shoulder with cabinetry with plenty of storage. 2 seats straight across from the sofa, so you can sit, have a nice conversation. This salon has 2 AC systems, which will keep the salon nice and cool no matter how hot it is outside. Trust me, I know, because once again, it's 105 degrees outside. Moving forward and taking a closer look at the lower helm, we do have a nice touchscreen navigation system. He's also got 2 live feed cameras, fish finder, GPS, radar, and all his engine instrumentations here. This boat in particular also has autopilot. Then I'm going to scan over to the helm console where you can take a look, read all the switches and gauges as you'd like. I also wanted to point out that this boat does have built-in stabilizers keep you from pitching and rolling in that rough weather while you're taking this boat around the world, keep you from getting seasick. After a quick 5 steps, we are down into the galley. As you can see, this galley has been completely renovated with brand new Coriant countertops and a tile backsplash, which is real tile and not the wallpaper that just sticks on. We do have a full nice size fridge with cabinets above. Next to the fridge, we have a nice wine glass rack and a nice coffee station. Next to the coffee station, we do have a deep stainless steel sink with plenty of storage behind the sink, as well as plenty of cabinetry underneath. Looking forward, you'll see plenty more cabinets. This boat has a dishwasher as well as a induction stovetop, 4-burner, and a convection microwave. This is typically a dinette, however, they've taken the dinette out and added more countertop space. We do have a wine chiller down below and plenty of storage for all of your liquor needs. Moving forward, we do have the V-berth, 2 nice single bunk beds. Somebody does live on this boat full time and he uses this as his storage closet. Taking a quick look at this forward head inside the V-berth, it does have a full stand-up shower. He uses it at his pantry since he's the only one living on this boat. He doesn't use this head too often. Directly across from the forward V-berth head, we do have a washer and a dryer, 2 separate units, which is really nice in comparison to those single unit machines. Working our way back aft now, anybody who's familiar with Hatteras is going to be familiar with this hallway where we do have engine rooms on both sides of the boat. I'll give you a quick look inside the engine room. Aft, just past the engine room hallway, we have another double berthing. These are 2 single beds, but pretty spacious, as well as a standing locker. So directly across from that double berthing on the starboard side of the boat, we do have another head, which is another full-size head with a toilet, sink, and stand-up shower completely separate. Moving into the master stateroom, we have a nice queen-size bed. It is an island bed with plenty of storage underneath. Looking on the starboard side of the boat, you see we have plenty of countertop space as well as plenty of drawers and storage. On the forward side of the master stateroom, we do have a nice full-size closet. If you've been around this channel, you know that this is the end of the video. Consider like, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, take care.